Holla at your boy, back at it again for a fresh new video on multi-needle functions. Let's get into the video. Thanks for joining the channel. Subscribe, like. Hope you get something out of this. So let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get into some functions of this 15 needle multi pro maker machine. Let's go over a few functions and let's see what we can do. Okay, let's see what all this can do. Just turned it on in the back. A15 plus. Initializing. All right, let's go over the functions in here. This is, let's go with this function. All right, I'm gonna go over each function that I know of. We're gonna go to this page right here. This one brings up all the designs. Also down here, this is see what the design look like that you picked. All right, you can play the design. This gives you how it stitches out. You also could zoom certain areas. You could change the speed of the design. All right, let's go back out of here. Yes, quit. All right. So this one is, we're still learning this screen. Let's go back out of there. I'm not an expert in that screen. I'm just gonna give you what I know. This is the trash. So if you want to pick something, I want to delete it, I go there. That's for trash. I delete anything up here. This one is any one of these I click on. I want to export it into my jump drive or my zip drive, whatever you're calling those. This one is your own little trace. So you want to come on here and draw your own little thing, and then you want to make it a and you want to make it something. You know, maybe you're gonna do a circle, and a smiley face. Maybe it's something you want to do with your kids, and then you push that button. That would make it into a stitch. Okay, this is different brushes. All right, this is erase. Let's go forward, go back, go forward, go back. That's the size of it. Let's get in here. That's the color that you want that. Let's go with a yellow. There we go, right there. This is a erase. Let's go here. There you go. Then we can have two colors in there, guys. Look at that. Let's go out of there. Yes, I want to quit. Don't want to save none of that. All right. These have to do with, as you see, copy pattern, create outline pattern, create high speed pattern, create param pattern. I'm still learning this page. Once I get to this page and learn a little bit more, I'll do another video on that. But this one right here is to go to your fonts. There's the built-in fonts. So this is Chinese. Excuse me, go back to there. This is Chinese, which I don't know Chinese, so this is the closest to English. It's Great Britain. Let me show you all the fonts they have. There's one page, 2 pages, 3 pages, 4 pages. And also these are 2C and 3D fonts. A couple more fonts they give you right here. See, mostly all these other fonts are in different languages, so I don't even know how to use those anyway. So, all right. Just give you a couple other fonts. I think these are for like puff letters or something. I'm not sure about it, but I know it'll give you another area of fonts. So always to get out of something, you go right here. It's like to go back. All right, this is the size of the font. So if you want it, this is in millimeters, and this is the up and down part. So if it goes up and down, it's also going to expand it out this way. This is the color that you want the font, you know. I just go blue. It doesn't really matter, you know. Back up out of that. And this is in Chinese right here. So you need to click it for English. Right there. Click it. Must be that font. Alright, it's back up out of there. That's right, because it's not in Chinese. They go to here. Now let's go here. And let's go here. Oops, actually, let's go. Follow along, guys. It's my favorite font to use right here. I'm going to show it to you. Stencil black. So here, go out of there. Go here. This guy's the uppercase. Pick shit again for the lowercase. This English. That's actually Chinese. Back up out of there. All right. This is, I want to import a font from there. They ain't figured that out yet. Let me see. Something else we're working on. Going to quit. Yes. That means just to go back. All right. This is if you had a picture. It's like it says photo embroidery. So if you had a picture, you would import it here. You would have to import it through there, and then you put it on there, and this would stitch it out right here. Okay, and this would be the size of it, the frame. All right. It's another one right there. Working on those. Let's go to the next screen. All right, this is the P right here. This is the direction. So if the P goes this way, that means your artwork is going this way. Right? If P going that way, it means your artwork is going this way. P, that means your P is upside down. That means the artwork is going this way. That means it's reverse going this way. Reverse going down. Reverse going this way. It's reverse going up. And that's back to the normal P. This is the angle of it. So this is how normally it stitches. So if you start hitting the angle, it's going to stitch like this. This is the scale. It's 100% of whatever the picture is when it comes in from the, when it comes in from wherever you loaded or the preloaded ones. When it comes in, it's going to be, oops. Aerial prior, rotate prior, scale. I don't even know what this one is. I hope, man. I'm gonna scale. I'll keep it there. All right, because oh, okay. Prior mode. Rotate prior. All right, I gotta check that. Clicked something by mistake. All right, so I have to go back to this video to see what it was. So, all right, this is general prior. These are the X and Y axes, spaces between things. That's how you can look at, this means to look at the image. Now I can look at what the image looks like. You go in here. That takes me over to this also takes you to the next page. You can click this to the next page, but this button right here also takes you to the next page. So let's go back to where we're at. So you can see this one takes you back over that way. Okay? A couple ways you could do that. And this one is just telling you which color is going to go where. So that's needle 1, needle 2, needle 3, needle 4. So needle 1 would be green, needle 2. No, it's not actually. This is the needle colors. This is the color of the needles. So this is the first pass. It's going to be in green. This would be the second pass. It's going to be in yellow. The third pass is going to be another green. And the fourth pass would be white. Basically, each one of these is a pass of the needle. And this one is designated to each needle color. Each needle color, you have to designate these to match those right there. And how you do that, you go right here and you just click one. See, 1, 2 is black, so it'll be black. See, I just did these myself. And then once you got it all matched up, also you gotta check this speed. This is a default table. You get more tables here. Okay? Just so you know, you get more tables there, because when I first did this, I didn't know I had more tables. I was just looking at the default table and I was like, man, it's missing a lot of colors. So from my past experience, I just want to let you know. So click that. Once you see that you got the colors that you want to match up. All right. That's doing nothing. That and this one will be another one to view what the thing is. This right here is to make it all go to the same color. All right. That's what that is. So if you just want to start fresh again, or you want it all to go. Let me see what that was. The yellow. Oh, so that definitely was not yellow. So this is how we go up on the needle. So that was definitely green, yellow, white. Yeah, that's it. So we back to where we're at. Green, yellow, white. Maybe. I think that maybe this was a green. There we go. Now we're back to what it's supposed to look like. All right, guys. Sometimes you just play around with these and then you'll figure it out. This is another thing right here. Stuff I don't really mess with because I don't really know everything. Right there, yeah, I'm still learning myself. So I'll stay away from there. And this one is just which needle it's on. So that's saying it's gonna be center 8. You know what I mean? So that'd be 8 needle. That's that the computer is on. So once it starts, it will just shift to the needle that it's on anyway. All right, now let's go to this. Now this is to cut the thread. So you press this, it will cut the thread when it's stitching. You can pause it with this. Also, you can use this to pause button, and this is a turn on button as well. So this is a cut thread. This is telling you the degree of the machine. This is telling you that it automatically chooses the needle. That means just go needle to needle, auto needle to needle. That's manual. That's where I go. Automatic needle up and down. This is the one that needs to be set at. This one is let you see the diagram of where it's going to be at. I mean, it's going to show you that one. Go back. This one shows you the hoop. This one shows you the hoop and what's inside the hoop. See, that's what it is. Frame, you're gonna move it around. That's the frame. This is where you can change the frame if you want. These are the different frames that we have. Right now it's on the cap frame. That's what it is. It's 70 by. Okay, and let's go back out of here. This one rotates around it. That's how you see it goes along the borders. So you would just go along the border. This one goes the exact outline of it. See, it goes the exact outline of the diagram. This one, these move the things in different directions, and it's backwards. Wherever you look, so it's backwards. Up is down, down is up. This one centers it. This one, okay. This one moves it diagonally. This one moves it over. I think that's the save the position. I haven't touched it, so I'm not gonna touch it again. I'm not gonna touch it now. All right, so it's the same thing around here if you want to move those around. This one controls the speed of the overall of the machine. Go back. Go back. This one controls the speed of the machine right here. All right, let's lower it down. This is let's make it go faster. All right, this one's back with the needles again. This one is to confirm the drone, confirm the embroidery, confirm embroidery, EMB. That's what that stands for. I was trying to figure that out. One of my other must be confirm embroidery. I like that now I'm thinking about it. Okay. This is letting you know each pass color, which needle. See needle 8 right there, but it won't be needle 8. It'll just adjust to the right needle. That's why you need to adjust to the right needle. You need to go up and down, control it. Let's go back to the home. This the home page for me, and guess these are the last one used. So in case you can't remember like which was the last one you used, there they are right there. Go, let's see, boom, 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 in the order that they was used, and these are the order that they was loaded. I actually don't know what this does, guys. But, yeah, let's go. I hope it don't do nothing crazy. Oh, let me look. See, look, I got another thing while I'm here. So that's what says scale prior. I have another machine over here just in case. I can see the original. See if that was originally scale prior. It's the only thing I'm not sure of, so I want to, before I turn this off, I want to make sure I'm matching. And if you guys have any problems or something, let me know in the comments. So I need to go here to double check. This is set. So a scale prior. General, boom, boom, boom. The last ones I was using. Okay. These are what it was loaded. All right, guys. Pretty much. Oh yeah, one more function here. I'll show you how to do this. This function right here. That lets you inside of here, and to upload. This is the this is the delete out of these. This is the look at a picture, a pattern. So I chose this. I'm gonna look at it. Oh yeah, it's all in white because the first one is white. That's another thing I gotta let you know. So I click this one. It's a bunch of different color pattern, but you see that one it's white, so I can't see it. Right. So the first time I did that, I thought it was a problem, but like, does it match the thread? I had to think it out. So okay. Now I'm not gonna touch that. I think there's another way of getting. I don't know what these do, so I'm not gonna touch them. So, but this is once you pick it. If I want to upload it into here, upload it to here. Well, that's because I touched it. I want to upload it in here. I would just click that, and that would just pop it up into here for the upload. All right, guys. Any questions? Please thumbs up the video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time. Now, I hope you guys got something out of that video, because I went through it as thoroughly as I know it right now. In the future, maybe I know a little bit more about it, but I gave you everything I know. So, like I said, I'm gonna start doing giveaways. So be sure to like, comment, and share. And salute. Till next time.